Okay, so you have these different packages of things, and you might have one of these neat clips. This is from Ikea. Very easy to seal food and close it and open it. It's very easy to reseal food and eat it, and then once you're done, you can put it back and it's closed, sealed for freshness. But if you don't have this, there is an easy way. You can use clothespins really. You can use a plastic one, but I prefer these wooden ones. The wooden clothespins is really very useful. So you ate your snacks. These are cashew nuts. This time I have to make it a bit smaller. I just twist it like this. And it's closed. Closed the same way as the other one. Maybe even better, because it saves space. Can eat. These are really nice, salted. If you want to make sure there is a seal, you can roll it and fold it like this, and roll it one more time. Put this horizontal. Very simple, but these are useful, but you don't really need them. Also, they make like a belly here, so they don't seal properly after a few times you use them. But the clothespins, everyone has clothespins. You can even put two. And the plastic one also works. It will not open. They have a strong spring, so it will not open. Very simple, but effective. Super effective. When I use this, I like to put it close to the edge, so it still makes a good seal. See, there's this spacing here. I think this is much more simple, and I like that they are made of wood and metal, no plastic. Also more durable than the plastic ones. When you use them as clothespins in the sunlight, they get very fragile and they break. Not the wood. The wood doesn't break. Thanks for watching. You like the salted cashew nuts, or which nuts do you prefer? Pistachio, peanuts? I like the peanuts, but sometimes I like this salted, fried. Sometimes I like to eat these salted cashew nuts. A bit oily and really full of salt, but okay, as a snack, it's nice to have it. Thanks for watching.